Hey y'all, I am out here today and I am finally committed to working on my sidewalk. You can see part of it right here. I went and got some marking paint and I'm going to mark out my path this time and make it much easier so I don't waste my time putting the path in a way I don't like it and then having to remove those heavy bricks again. So let me get over there and start marking my path, and then I'll start laying them, and then the final step will be putting some plants along the pathway. We are getting closer to having a cottage garden that will have either fruits or vegetables or flowers pretty much everywhere. So let's get started. It's hard to do things backwards because see, if I go back like this, I can't see where I want to start at down there. Let's start at the other end. So, can you help keep me in line with the fountain? If I get too far off, will you say something? And
yeah, because I don't have no clue what you're doing, but I'll try.
Okay, so you just make sure I don't go way over somewhere. Alright, I'm going to start right here. That's where we start.
You just doing one line?
What?
You just doing one line?
Well, I'm just going to start there in a straight line.
Oh, okay.
And then I'm going to... You know what I'm saying? But now those bricks are in the way, so...
Just go up to it, skip it, and...
Like that?
Yep.
Okay. So now that it's marked, will you help me put the bricks along it? We can get it done real quick. We can move these real quick and then get the rest, and this chore is done. Okay, so starting here where Tommy decided to start spelling my name, I did this way, a little that way, a little that way, back to the arch. And now we need to place the stepping stones.
She has now messed up my straight line patterns. So she can now start mowing.
Alrighty, well here's the path. Took 30 of these cement blocks, I guess you'd call them. To date, none of this has cost us a penny because we got these from a house that was being torn down. This was the sidewalk to their front door. So here it is from the bird bath angle. Is it making any sense yet? There's the arch. So there, I'll plant something here and something here and something lower there. I don't know what I'm gonna plant yet, and I'm gonna go ahead and let him mow and weed eat around them before I do that. But so far I'm happy with it. It's gonna be my little pathway through my cottage garden, and probably gonna be moving the goldfish pond back into that corner, catty corner, and getting the rest of the rocks to put around it so then when most of the black isn't showing anymore. But anyway, that is a chore marked off of the list. We're gonna go in and make some tacos. Hope you guys have a good night. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Okay, I'm back because I had not finished editing this video yet, and I stopped at Lowe's today on my way home from work, and they had some good half-price sales on their clearance rack. So I got this. I got 2 of these for $7. Autumn sangria. I got this hibiscus, which will have yellow flowers. Don't remember the name of it, and it doesn't have a tag. And I got this other azalea. So I got 2 of those for $7. So that's where I'm going to start with my planting in the little areas that do this. So anyway, just thought I would add that little tidbit onto the end.